What's up, guys? I have 4 easy DIY projects for you. The first one is a 3-tier jewelry holder. For this home decoration, you'll need 3 plates, 2 bowls, and 3 candle holders of your choice. To get this baby to hold, you'll need some rubbing alcohol to rub away the grease where you're going to be putting the E6000 glue. Be careful, this glue can be messy, but it holds extremely well. After you've given it some time to dry, this is what it should look like. Alright, next project. I literally just got some plastic hooks with stick-on backs from the tool section, a wooden sign from the craft aisle, and some white paint that I already had. Mind you, all of these supplies I did pick up at the Dollar Tree except the paint. This project was literally $2 and it's perfect for my necklaces. This one I was really looking forward to making just because it's such a pretty and simple piece to have in the room. I carefully used a hot glue gun to wrap this piece together, and I did use all the rope that came in the package. I chose a white scented candle to complement the look I was going for, and here's how it looked. Final project is sort of a long process, only because I had to use some scrap foam. I'm sure you can buy already squared pieces, so you don't have to use a sharp knife like me to cut it into shape. Obviously, if this is too dangerous for you, I would ask someone for help or find an alternative way. So like I said, I didn't have any squared pieces already, so what I'm doing here is just cutting everything to size. After that, I laid them out together and I realized the edges would be a little bit too rough for my liking, so I used some cardstock and cut out a border for around it. So when I hot glue them on, I just want to make sure that I'm getting the border as flush as I can so that the whole front looks like one face. I should let you guys know that I did cut smaller squares for the smaller edges around the border. After all this is glued, I'm going to be painting the front and the edges all white. I did think this looked a little bit plain, so I got some rope and I'm just going to be putting that on all the edges. If rope's not what you're going for, I'm sure you can find like pearl beading or something to go around it instead. Now that we're finished with that, it is time to clean our earrings with rubbing alcohol and stick them where they belong. Hope you guys can kill your boredom with these Dollar Tree DIY projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And here's a final product. Hope you guys enjoyed.